Alright guys, in this video we're gonna try out version 10.10. Remember, this is a 360 video, so when you hold your iPhone or your Android device on the YouTube app horizontally, you could tap around, move around, so it's 100% 360. Okay, we got our destination, and let's see how it does today on a rainy day. Don't forget to like and subscribe also. So let's see how it does on a rainy day. Let's go, let's put it on drive. And it says auto steer unavailable. There it is now. And it says take over immediately. I don't know what happens, sometimes that happens right away. Let's give it a little bit of a break, and once we get the little gray steering wheel here, we'll go ahead and try to activate it again. Let's put this on full screen. So once the little gray wheel comes out again, we'll try it again. Hopefully we don't get that message again. I've been seeing on Twitter and different other places that people have been getting that take over immediately. So we'll see what happens. No gray wheel yet, so I'm just driving right now. Let's see how it goes. There's the gray wheel now, so I'm gonna try it again. Alright, just waiting for the gate. Okay. Once again, I have to hit the accelerator, because if not, it gets stuck in there. And now it's braking for nothing again. Let me hit the accelerator again. And like always on this stop sign, I'm just gonna want to stop, so I'm just gonna hit the accelerator. There's no really reason to stop here. Alright, so we have to make a left. We have this double road, and it braked all the way back here. I don't know why. That's really far away from the stop sign. It says checking for, I'm gonna accelerate a little bit. There we go. Nope. Disengagement. There was a car coming, as you can see right there. So I don't know why I didn't see that car, but it is what it is. So let's see here how it does. Oh, really accelerates and it decelerates really fast. Let's check our settings here. I think I do have it under chill, aka grandma mode, but it's still accelerating pretty fast, so I don't understand. Well, we'll see. Once again, this is 10.10 beta FSD 10.10. Okay, we're getting the green light here to turn, and like always, I have a foot ready on the accelerator and the brake, and my hands are ready on the wheel to take over. I'm gonna take over here because I don't want to be behind this truck, so I'm just gonna pass it. It's a pretty rainy day today, so just wanted to pass that truck, and I'm gonna activate it now again here. Let's see how it does. Alright, we're about to enter the highway, and the speed limit's still saying 35. detected warning, so I'm not 100% certain if Navigate on Autopilot is gonna exit us on the exit that it's supposed to. Usually when poor weather detected warning comes out, the Navigate on Autopilot turns off, so I don't think it's gonna exit us on the correct exit, on the next exit that is coming out in less than half a mile. We'll see. If not, I'll take over and re-engage FSD. Yeah, it didn't exit, so. And it even says here, full self-driving unavailable, poor weather detected. That's what it says there. So we'll see what happens. Once again, the warning is coming out here on the screen, full self-driving unavailable, poor weather detected. So, I mean, the car's still driving itself, but it's not full self-driving, so. There you go. Now full self-driver just kicked in. So looks like it is working. And it will take us to our destination. To make a right pretty soon. Yep, right over here, making a right. Appears to be working. Whoa. Well, if I would have had a car behind me, I would have just crashed behind me. Let's report that. And what are you thinking about now? I don't know. Come on. There's nobody around. Okay. At least it's navigating nicely. Jerky, but nicely. Alright, it brought us to our destination. Well, thank you guys for joining. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll post another video soon. Thank you very much. Hope you guys have a very nice day.